making potato donuts, and here I have some potatoes that are peeled and washed properly. Now I have a pot over on the stove and the water is already boiled, so I'm just gonna go over there and put these in. So guys, I'm just gonna let these cook until they're tender, then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with them. So guys, here I have an onion, and this is gonna be I'm gonna use the ring to form the donut. The thing is, in the meantime the potato is cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my rings. As long as you get the rings, it's okay, because you really need these rings, and you have to cut it big also. Guys, here I have some mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to carve all the pieces that I need to use for the donuts. Just need thin slices like these, guys. So guys, here's the potato, and it has been cooked. As you can see, the steam that's coming from it. There's my cheese right there and my onion rings right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this crushed and come back. So guys, here's a lovely mashed potato. Watch what I'm gonna do. So guys, there's a potato. What I'm gonna do, I don't have any potato starch, so I'm just gonna use some corn starch with this. I'm just gonna get it incorporated into the potato. Guys, here's the potato, and it's looking like dough, if you notice, because it has the starch in it, the corn starch. I just added some black pepper and some garlic powder to this, because you know, Miss Brown, I have to put something my style in there, so that's where I came with the black pepper and the garlic powder. I know together that's a lovely combination. Yes. Here I have the onions like this. You can always use pieces to help, just like that. And what I'm gonna do next, guys, I am going to put potato inside as well. Yes, because we're gonna use potato on it, so yes, it's gonna stay. And so it's definitely gonna stay. Whether it be potato starch or corn starch, it helps. I'm just gonna do this entire one and show you guys. This is how you're gonna form the donuts. So it's a lot of work, but when it's done, yeah, it's nice, it's lovely when it's done, but it's really a lot of work. As you know, guys, if you cooking ain't no walk in the park. You have to have patience when you're cooking, else you're just gonna be fed up and just do it anyhow. And me, when I'm cooking, I don't do it anyhow. I do it the right way, and so that means I have to spend a lot of time doing it. So this is the idea, guys. You get the idea of what I'm doing. I'm just gonna make the others off camera because it's time consuming, but you'll get the idea. And you're gonna kind of mold it nice and neat, you know, make sure your little edges are nice like this. Finish, it's looking like a real nice donut. So that means you're gonna spend time and make sure everything is in order, like, you know, mold it. You want to make sure it's molded properly. That's the idea of it. So yes, guys. So guys, here's a donut that has been formed from the potatoes. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna get this dipped into flour, breadcrumbs, and egg. I'll show you. I'm gonna go over to the pot how it's done. So guys, here I have some flour right here, and I have some breadcrumbs right there, and I have eggs here. What I do, I put it in the bag because it's way easier. Because if I put it in other containers like this one, the place is gonna be a mess, unless I'm gonna take my time. So this is very easy to just put it on. So here's my donut, guys. This is just potatoes, remember? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna dip it in the flour like this, just like this, guys. You see, the bag will save me. Then I will take it to the eggs here. So now I'm gonna go to the breadcrumbs. I'm going to the breadcrumbs, guys. And see, we still have the donut. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some others done. So as usual, I'm going into the flour again, just like this. And as you can see, guys, the area is still clean because I'm using the bags, and the bags is big enough, so whatever fell off, it's okay because it's secured in the bag. Now I'm going back to the eggs. Make sure I'm getting everything covered, guys. You get the idea of how it's done. Then I'm going back over to my breadcrumbs. As you can see, the other one there, and it's done. And it's just like this, guys. It's a process, but you will enjoy this when it's all done. It's really a process. Like I said, cooking ain't no joke. It takes time. You have to be dedicated when it comes to cooking, and it takes a lot of time, patience, and also a lot of money. So respect the people who cook. Yes, really do. You have to respect them. Respect when somebody come and show you an idea, so you and your family can enjoy better days with having nice stuff to eat. So guys, I'm gonna go over to the pot so I can demonstrate to you how this is done also. So guys, here they are. Now I'm gonna, the pot, this is, I have my pot here with oil and it's hot. So let's put them in and see how it goes. So guys, there they are. Oh, look how lovely they are. So guys, here's my lovely potato donuts. Look at this, guys. And here's some lovely sauce that I've made for this. So guys, check these donuts out. These are actually made from potatoes. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is lovely. And I'm gonna cut open one for you to see, that's for sure. But tell me guys, look at this lovely donuts that are made from potatoes. So guys, I'm gonna cut one of the donuts open for you. Look at that cheesy goodness, guys. Like this cheesy goodness in this donut right here. Look at this, guys. Cheesy goodness.